back to my channel. This time it's another Citroen video. As you can see, I've got a bit of a leak, and I found out that it's the gearbox actuator fluid that's leaking. Now, common problem with these cars is the return pipe. It puts the fluid back into the reservoir once it's circulated round. It usually chafes and wears and starts leaking. So I've got a replacement part. We'll get the car up in the air and we'll get it swapped out. Alright, before I get started, I'll show you these axle stands. I needed a new pair of axle stands. I've only had one before, and you're supposed to use them in pairs, and when I got left to see, clearly seen better days. So I thought I'll go to Halfords and I'll get a pair. Now these were originally 20 quid, but on the shelf they're reduced to 15 quid. When I got to the till, there was another £1.50 off it, so I got them for £13.50. I'll put a link to them in the description, so I can't guarantee you getting them for less than the original £20, but you know, if you're quick enough, might be able to grab a pair if you need them. So next thing I need to do is get the wheels off. Now I've got my axle stands ready. It goes nicely with my Halfords trolley jack and my Halfords wheel chocks. So get it up in the air and get these wheels off. In case anyone's wondering, I've already loosened the wheel nuts, so it should be just a matter of raising the car up in the air and then anyway. Now, to get this wheel off. So to get to the actuator, we need to take this wheel arch liner off. There's 3 T20 torque screws. There's one there, one there. Look, and another one up here somewhere. I'm just feeling. Let's have a look. Yep, it's there. And there's also these plastic rivets to come out. I'm not going to take an entire line out. All I need to do is take that one, and that one off, because I've had it off before. Yes, I'm talking about the wheel arch liner. So let's get this done. Bit hard working around the camera. I don't want to any gratuitous arse shots or anything like that. But just get this. Get these screws out first. And then we've got these plastic rivets which should just pull out. Where are the pair pliers? This all should peel back. Like I said, I don't need to take them all out. You have to get it completely out, just to get the front half free. Just tuck it behind here, out of the way, and that gives us access to the actuator. Okay, you can see the gearbox actuator a bit better, and I had to fill it up last Friday because it was nearly empty. It's to get special fluid from Citroen. Anyway, I topped it up and that just bought me some more time, and you can see where it's leaking from. It's this flexible hose, so we'll need to get that off. And to get access to that, we'll need to get it from above. Right, to get to it from above, I need to remove this air cleaner. So first I'll disconnect the MAF sensor, then undo this hose, then take the lid off. This should just come out. Just pull out, yep, and it's out. We'll put that to one side. Take the air filter out. So it changed about 6 months ago, so it's amazing how dirty it gets in just 6 months. I'll be getting replaced at the next service. Now I need to get this air cleaner out. So there's a tab down here. I'll find where it is. Just push the tab in. As soon as I find it, that's it. Push it in, and it just lifts straight out. And I put that to one side, and now, as you can see, I can now get to the actuator from above. And I need to see if I can get to these pipes. Okay, I need to get to the actuator, but first this bracket's got to come off for the inlet pipe. Unfortunately, it's just two 10mm bolts. Can't really get into the socket, but good news, I've got a 10mm ratchet spanner, which should be handy. Get on. Right, I think this intake pipe's going to come out, but it just gives us a little bit more room to play with. So the ECU has to come off. I've been reliably informed it's 5 T30 Torx screws. So first thing I need to do is to get these connections off. And we're out. I just need to move these cables out of the way. They're out of the way. And I could start undoing these Torx screws. So there's one there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take this intake out. I can't get to them, not even with this. So I'll get back to you. Well, it looks like I can get to the screws without having to move this inlet pipe with the help of this T30 socket on the 1/2 inch ratchet. So it should be, I believe it's 5. So no, possible. Okay, that took some doing. I didn't manage to get this off, but I took off the other end of the air inlet and it gave me a bit more room to play with. I managed to get the screws out. I'm just on the verge of getting this liberated. It's nearly there. pipe in the way. Actually, I probably don't need to take it out completely, because that gives me room, enough room to get the pipe out. So I need to take the whole lot out. You can see it there. Got a bit more room to get this pipe out. So let's get this off and see where we are. Well, in the end I just took it out, so this should just pull off. I'm not exactly sure how it's going to do that. Okay, I may have to cut it off. Well, I finally managed to get it out. That's the old pipe. Just grabbed the end of the pliers and just gently wiggled it, and out it came. And this is a replacement part. If you can see the part number. Cost me an absolute fortune from Citroen, but it's the only place I can get them. And I just get out of a packet. Just put you guys down for a sec. Oops. I believe this is a new design, which should prevent any future chafing. See, that's the way it goes. So it's just a matter of putting it all back in. I've got to reassemble everything, so I'll leave that. Won't record it all. Well, it's a couple of days later, and unfortunately it's still leaking fluid. So I've just had it up. I've had wheel arch line off, had a look at reservoir, and I can't see any leaks from any of the pipes, but it looked like it was actually coming out of the cap. Now, when I topped up the fluid about 6 days ago, before I started changing the pipe, I remember taking the seal out of the cap and putting it on the other way around, and I think that's why it's not sealing at the cap. So I just put it back, and what we'll do is give it a road test and we'll see how we go, and hopefully it should be leak free. Let's find out. Right, well, I've just taken it for a run for a few miles, and there doesn't seem to be any leaks, but I'm going to be keeping my eye on it over the next few days. So what I'll do is I'll wrap this video up. So please remember to like and subscribe. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.